What is trading for beginners? Trading can be seen as the buying and selling of financial instruments such as stocks, cryptocurrency, or currency pairs. As a beginner, there are some key concepts about trading that you need to know and understand very well. There are market. Traders traders buy and sell in various markets such as stock market, cryptocurrency market, and currency pair market. Instruments. Traders buy and sell financial instruments such as currencies, stocks, and also cryptocurrencies. Another concept you need to know is buy and sell. Traders aim to buy low and sell high, or sell high and buy back low to make profit. There are types of trading. We have day trading, swing trading, and long-term trading. I will explain each and every one of them in details. Just watch this video to the end. What is day trading? Day trading can be seen as the buying and selling of an asset or financial instrument within 24 hours. That means your trade cannot exceed 24 hours. It is called day trading. What is swing trading? Swing trading involves holding a trade for few days, for more than 24 hours or weeks. Long-term trading. Long-term trading involve holding a position in a trade for months or even years. As a beginner in trading, there are some skills you need to understand and master them very well for you to excel in the financial market. One of the skills is market analysis. Understanding market trends, news, and updates helps you as a beginner to have an edge in trading career. Another one is risk management. Managing potential risk and losses also helps you to make it in the financial market. Another thing you need to master, another skill that you need to master and understand is discipline. Discipline simply means sticking to a trading strategy and sticking to the plan. Getting started in trading, you need to do the following. Number one, education. Education here means acquiring the basic knowledge of trading before starting to trade. You learn before you earn. Another one here is choose a platform. Choosing a platform simply means partnering with an exchange or broker that will be executing your trades on. And the third one is practice. I will advise you as a beginner in trading to start with demo account or start with low capital to manage potential risk and losses. So that's all for now. If this is your first time of seeing my video or coming across my channel, click on the subscription button for me, comment on my comment section, and like my video as well. See you on the next one.